Dear viewers, today, I present to you an emotional video. This video tells a story from real life, and I kindly ask you to pay a little extra attention while watching. Depression is a challenging condition that can stealthily infiltrate people's lives like a dark cloud. Unfortunately, even our loved ones can witness and be affected by this struggle. Benjamin is the main protagonist of our story today. He is battling depression during a difficult period in his life. One of the most challenging aspects brought about by depression is his loss of appetite. This condition has a negative impact on his health and overall well-being. In this video, as a friend of Benjamin's, I am going to his house with the intention of helping him. My goal is to make sure he eats a meal and provide him with a little comfort. Pesto pasta happens to be one of his favorite dishes. Hopefully, this simple yet heartfelt gesture can bring a bit of happiness to Benjamin's day. However, this video is not just about cooking a meal. I want to emphasize the importance of friendship, love, and understanding. Depression can affect the people around us, and it may require us to do our best to lend a helping hand. While watching, I hope you can try to understand the difficult situation Benjamin is in and perhaps show a little more empathy towards the people around you. I hope that this video can contribute to raising awareness and inspire us to be strong supports for others in need. In each of our lives, there are moments when we feel the warmth of a friend. This video was created to remind us of those moments and to deliver a message of hope. Now, I invite you to join me on a journey as I make my way to Benjamin's house, and I hope you can be by my side throughout this touching story. Enjoy watching. Hello! Today we will make pasta with pesto sauce. Our first step will be to add water to a large pot and bring it to a boil. Put some salt in the pot and put the pasta in it. We arrange the pasta properly and then dice the cheddar. Now that the pasta is cooking in another pot, let's start preparing our pesto sauce. We put butter in a pan so that the pasta does not overflow from the pan. While the pasta is cooking well, the butter melts and becomes fluid. After the butter melts, pour the pesto sauce on the pot and mix. When the butter and pesto sauce are well mixed, add olive oil on top and mix well. Scrape the prepared pesto sauce from the jar and add it to the pot. Then we submerge the pasta in water so that the sauce completely envelopes it. The pesto sauce draws some of the water from the pasta and becomes tastier. Now we add some cream to the pesto sauce and then drain the pasta. In this way, we add some consistency and richness to our cream sauce. We add the pasta, which we have drained, into the pesto sauce that is now ready. All the ingredients mix beautifully and the flavors integrate. Now we mix the pasta with the sauce and add the cheddar that we cut into cubes on top. In this way, we add a wonderful cheese flavor to our pasta. Sauce, pasta, and cheddar mix well in the same pot. At this stage, the flavors become more integrated with each other and our pasta becomes a flavor bomb. We prepare the plates we took from the cupboard and put the pasta with pesto sauce, which is now ready to be served, on the plates with a chef's style. Enjoy presenting this visual feast to your friend. As our short video comes to an end, I want to thank you for joining me on this emotional journey. Witnessing Benjamin's struggle and the simple act of making him a meal has reminded us of the power of compassion and friendship. Let's remember to be there for one another, especially during challenging times. A small act of kindness can make a world of difference. Together, we can help brighten someone's day and provide them with the support they need. If you or someone you know is experiencing depression, please reach out to professionals or helpline services for assistance. Remember, you are never alone in this journey. Thank you for watching and for being a part of spreading empathy and understanding. Let's continue to spread love and support in our communities. Take care, and until next time.